Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can host your Solid.js project online for free. So we are going to host our project through Netlify. So we are going to say here Netlify. Go to the netlify.com. From here I'm going to click the login. And I'm logged into my account here, you can see. Now we have to actually click here in the add new project. So we'll click here and we have to select here import an existing project. So click here. And now here you can see we can actually deploy our project from GitHub also, or GitLab, or some other option here available. So we'll go with the GitHub. Okay, so you have to go to the GitHub also, github.com, and you have to create a repository here. So click here in the profile, click here repository, click here new repository, and let's name it as this is my repository name. Now I'll click here create repository, and I'll upload my project here. So I'll click here upload an existing file. Now I have to go back to the project directory. So this is my project, and here I have now this dist folder, but in your case maybe this folder will be missing. So what you have to do, you have to actually go inside your project, okay, and then in the address bar you have to open cmd, type cmd to open a command prompt here, and here you have to run a command, and that is called npm run build. But before that you should write another command that is called npm install to download all the dependencies, okay, and then you have to say here npm run build, and you will get the dist folder here, you can see. Now you have to zip it, but before that let me show you what is inside dist. If you go there you will find all the files. So basically you have to actually upload all the files here, okay, but I think we shouldn't zip it. We just select all of them and drag them and drop that here. And here you can see all the files loaded successfully. Now we'll click here commit changes. There we go. Now we will go here and we'll click here in the GitHub, and we have to log into our GitHub account basically through you have to connect GitHub account, okay, that's it. So you can see I have added my GitHub account here. You just have to actually add it, okay, that's it. And here you will find what you have actually created in your GitHub account. If I go to the repository once again, I have few folders or repository here, you can see, and I have to actually go for my created repository, okay. So you have created my solid app, right? So we'll copy this and insert it here in the repository, okay. It will show the repository here you can see, and select this. We'll give it a name, let's say in my project name is added here, branch to main, okay, fine, everything is perfect here. Now we'll actually click here deploy my solid app. Here you go. Here you can see currently its color is different, so it will turn into green, okay. So we have to wait for some times. So here you can see now it turns into green. So we'll click here and we can access our project. Here you can see that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching.